working, I'm vibing, I'm chilling, I'm good.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Shauna, back up in this joint with another video. Yeah. So, if you could tell by the title, you know this video is gonna be, some girl talk. So I want to share something with you that I've been using that I feel like could be helpful for you for your period. So, I think like a lot of girls, women, when it's that time of the month, you like to wear certain types of underwear, if you know what I mean. you don't want to wear your good underwear. You don't want to wear your good underwear, and then you have like the certain, period underwear that might not look so cute because they're, but there is an underwear that's made for periods that, so not only do they actually look nice, like they still look kind of sexy and cute, but they're also made to help protect you when it's your period. Almost like a pad or something. Almost like if you're wearing these underwear and you're out and about, you don't have to worry about leakage, especially if you have a heavy period. So I received a couple of pairs of underwear from this brand called Lilova. Lilova.com. They have underwear, like you can see, like, of course, like they're black. Look at the material. Okay, so this is like a hipster style. They have them in different, I think they have like 4 different styles. They have like hipster, hip huggers, they have thongs, and bikini. So I just have 2 pairs. So that was the hipster, I think. And this is like the bikini style. And see how like it even has this little like, see that? It's like kind of like stylish. It adds like, it adds some sexiness to it. But these are like the bikini style, as you can see. So, and then like they have some where like, I think all their underwear are black because, it would make sense for them to be in black, right? And then, but like these bikini ones, like they have some with like this little, like, these little things on the side can also come in like a couple other colors, or you can just get all black. Oh, and they have a high waist one too. So basically it's made of 4 different layers. Yeah, so the inside is kind of cottony and soft, and it goes in it's like that going all the way up, and it feels like that going all the way up to the back of the underwear. And they're not like super thick either, so it's not like, if you wear these, they're not like super bulky, like a diaper or something, but it's like, they're not super thick, so you could wear them with pretty much anything, like regular clothes. The only thing is like, if you're gonna wear like some really tight leggings, like you would probably see. Other than that, most like pants and things, you can't really see them. They're thin enough. So there's also a layer that helps fight odor and bacteria, and there's a layer that's like very absorbent, and then the outer layer, which is what you can see right here, is nylon. It's a leak resistant. It kind of feels like, like the same material as a bathing suit, because like a bathing suit is kind of made to be like water resistant or whatever, like the material nylon. So all of them say that they can hold up to 2 tampons worth, but the thong only holds a half tampon worth. So like I definitely wouldn't wear the thong if you're wearing it during like a heavy period. But these have been very helpful for me, because for me, like my first 2 days are pretty heavy. They say that you could wear these by themselves because they hold up to 2 tampons worth. You could wear them by themselves, or you could wear them as backup. Personally, I think they're great for backup, especially if you have a heavy period. I probably wouldn't want to, like, I would prefer to just wear these as backup, but it's like, it's up to you how some people don't want like using pads or tampons at all and want to use something that's like reusable, and so something like this would come in handy. Plus it would save you money, help with the environment and all that, because you're not like disposing of pads and tampons all the time. And so people don't want to use pads and tampons, unless they're organic. So some people like using something that's like reusable. So these are good for that. But for me personally, especially since I have like a heavy flow, especially the first 2 days, I would have to use these as backup. So they hold about 2 tampons worth. Anything past that, it may leak through. Of course, it can still only hold so much, but it's definitely good for backup. So these have been great for me, especially if I have to go somewhere during the 1st or 2nd day of my period, because like you know, a tampon can only hold so much, and then, you know, and if you're not able to get to the bathroom in time, like, you know, having these underwear are great because, you know, they're a lifesaver. And also, to me, they're very helpful too when trying to sleep, because if you have a heavy period, you know how, I mean, I know I can't be the only one who struggles with that with sleeping. If you have a heavy period, then, you know, it's kind of hard to sleep without I mean, even if you wear a tampon, I mean, it's gonna leak eventually, and it's like, I don't know, it sucks when you wake up and, like, you know what I mean? These underwear are protective, so it's like, if you're wearing these, most likely it might not leak unless, like, it depends on how heavy though, but I mean, it can hold up to 2 tampons worth, so I mean, it's like, you know, it's definitely a backup. So you wake up, you shouldn't have to worry about, like, anything being ruined, because it's all, like, in the underwear. And then all you gotta do is just wash the underwear. You can just rinse them out with cold water. You can machine wash them, like on a gentle cycle, but they recommend to only air, like, hang dry them. Don't put them in the dryer. When you get them, this is what each pair of underwear will come in. It comes in like a little, like, packet. It's like a little Ziploc packet like this. They come in here folded up. Yeah, basically that's what they are, period proof underwear. And yeah, oh, and it comes with a little card with little, like, instructions on, like, washing them and stuff like that. But yeah, so I'm glad that I have these underwear, you know, and they still, you know, they look cute, like, you know, especially these ones. These are the bikini style, so they do look kind of cute on. I'm not showing you them on, but like, sometimes it's nice when you could still feel cute and you can still wear underwear that, you, even if nobody's gonna see them, it's like, but you know that you have them on, so it just kind of makes you feel good that you're wearing something that still looks cute, and it's not gonna be, you know, worrying about stuff leaking and getting all over the place and looking all like, ugh. They're definitely a lifesaver, especially if you have a heavy period. So for me personally, like, I like wearing these as backup for in the beginning when my period's, like, heavier. So these are perfect, and these are great for, like, anybody. Like, they're good for teenagers, for postpartum moms, like, all ages. Like, so yeah, if you don't like using pads and tampons, you should check out these underwear. You should check out these period proof underwear. Or if you have a heavy period and need something for backup for when you're out and about or sleeping, like these. Yes, these are good for that. Like, they're perfect. Like, the material, that's what, you know, yeah, they're made for that. Like, you know, and they feel comfortable on. They don't feel like you're wearing a diaper, but at the same time, they're leak resistant. Like, it's like wearing, like, a backup pad, like, you know, but I don't feel like a diaper. It's like, you know, they're still, like, it's like wearing cute underwear. Almost, they're kind of like, to me, they kind of feel like bathing suit bottoms, because that's kind of like what the outside material is, but the inside is like this nice soft cotton. Yeah, and they have them in different sizes, you know, like small, extra small, medium, large, extra large. So you could check out the website, check out my description. But I think, like, every girl, women should have period underwear, especially if you have heavy period, because, like, seriously, since I've been using these, I wish that I had these since, like, forever, since the beginning, since I was a teenager, like, since I was in high school, because these definitely, like, man, these would have been perfect for when I was, because even when I was in high school, I kind of had, my period was kind of heavy too. So I mean, I feel like these would have, period proof underwear, bruh. Like, these would have been perfect for wearing to school and for sleeping in, because especially I had some accidents and stuff. Like, yo, these underwear, like, where were these underwear? So yeah, if you think you need to use some period proof underwear, which I think everybody needs some, then check the link in my description. There's a link in my description to the website. Check that out. Seriously, like, I use these like every single time I use them. Like, I have to now. It's like, now that I have them, I'm like, where have you been all my life? yeah, so comment below, tell me if you've ever used those type of underwear or something like it. I don't know, but yeah, comment below, let me know if you think you're gonna get you some, because I think you should. Yeah, I hope this video was helpful for you. I hope I shared something with you that could be useful for you, because anything that I'm sharing on here is something that I actually use that's helpful for me, so I think it would be helpful for you. So anyways, yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you in another video. Make sure you subscribe, click the bell, and yeah, I'll see you in another video. Bye. Peace.
Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a ooze. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a ooze. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. We the ruler, diamond cooler. This a rolling.